So before we move on further and see how this AI chatbot can be created, let's see how this AI chatbot is going to run. So let's say I am going to type my message, hi, I want to buy a handbag, and I am going to send this message. Once I send this message, within seconds and in real time it is replying me, sure, I can help you with that. Urban Cart has a great selection of women's handbags in different style. To recommend me, please give me the details. Alright, so let's enter the budget range as 1000 rupees. So I'm just going to enter the details which it is asking. Alright, now for the occasion / style, I'm going to select it as party right over here. So let's enter the second answer, which is party. So I'm going to type party. Now for the third, it is saying preferred color. So let's select it as tan right over here. So I'm going to type tan. Now for the type, let's enter the type, which is a shoulder bag. Alright, so I'm going to enter the type as shoulder bag right over here. And after entering these details, I am going to send this message. Once I'm going to send this message, it is going to suggest me the bag according to my own preference. It is saying got it, tan party shoulder bag under 1000. To show you the best matches, please share your pin code. So let's say I'm going to share my pin code to right over here, and after I share the pin code, it is saying once I have that, I'll narrow it down for you. So let's wait for a few seconds, and after we wait for a few seconds, yes, you can see it is sharing me more details. Thank you can confirm stock plus delivery availability by entering the pin code of the handbag on the product page. I can help you with shortlist the party bag. Do you prefer chain strap or regular strap? And also it is asking me for the minimal look or glitter look. So it is asking me for details and replying me within seconds and in real time. And you must be wondering how, because I've created this knowledge base using which this is replying me. So if I'm going to ask any question from this knowledge base, like let's say I'm going to ask this question, do you offer gift wrapping, then it is going to answer me exactly the same which we have entered in this knowledge base. Absolutely, you can select the gift wrap option at the checkout and add a personalized message. This is the same answer which we have received over here. So yes, this AI chatbot is created using this knowledge base. That's the reason it is answering so accurately. And if you also want to create this AI chatbot for your own business, then watch the tutorial till the end. So now you have seen the proper working of this WhatsApp AI chatbot. Now let's see how this chatbot can be created. So to create this chatbot, you just have to open your dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. In the top right corner, you are going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of credits free every month to explore Pabbly Chatflow. 100 of credits free means that you can reply to 100 of conversations for free, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Chatflow and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here. You can check it out. It is RITYT. Once you try Pabbly Chatflow, if you like it, then only move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow. So now we're on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, and over here you have to make sure that you have added your WhatsApp number before starting creating a WhatsApp chatbot. So what you have to do is you have to first add a WhatsApp number. You're going to see the option of add WhatsApp number button right over here if you haven't added it yet. If you want to learn how to add a WhatsApp number, first of all you have to check out the video given in the description box below. Add your WhatsApp number, then come back on this video and see how this AI chatbot can be created. So to create this AI chatbot, from the left hand of the side, go towards this AI assistant. Once you are on this AI assistant, click on this add AI assistant button and name your assistant. So I am going to name this assistant as WhatsApp AI chatbot and click on this add AI assistant button. Now a window something like this will appear in front of me. Now first of all, you have to enter the AI instructions. So if you want to give a custom prompt, you can select custom prompt right over here and give custom instructions unique to your business. But we have some pre-built examples like AI agent, customer support agent, sales agent, language tutor, and so on. So you can select any one of these pre-built examples. If you select any one of these pre-built examples, the instructions will be added automatically. If you want, you can definitely edit these instructions, but these will be added. If you want, you can keep it as same and move on further like I am going to do. Now the next which we have is this temperature. So over here you can set how creative the AI answers are going to be. So if you move the temperature towards 0, the AI is going to answer more focused, and if you move the temperature towards 1, the AI is going to answer more creatively. So I want more focused answers, so I am going to keep the temperature as 0.2. You can set this temperature according to your own choice. Now it is asking me for the AI to use, so I am going to select it as OpenAI. For the model, I am going to select it as 5.2 over here. You can select any another of your choice. Now it is asking for this API key. So to get this API key, first of all, if you have any time added this API key in your AI chatbot, it will be saved like this right over here and you can select it directly. But if you haven't, you have to go towards this OpenAI API key page. Make sure that you've signed in, then click on this create new secret key button, enter your key name, select the project and click on this create secret key. Your key will be created. Just copy the key and paste it in your AI assistant and then click on this connect, and then this AI assistant API key will be saved successfully. Now next we have this AI assistant settings. So you can do multiple settings over here. If you want to add a header message or a footer message, just switch it on, add the header or the footer message right over here. You can add up to 60 characters. The next is the stop keywords. So over here you can enter the keywords that the user can type to stop the AI assistant. You can add multiple keywords, but over here to add the keyword you have to type the keyword and then press enter to add the keyword. It is very important that you press enter, otherwise the keyword will not be added. All right, next which we have is this retry attempts. So you have to specify the number of fallback retry attempts if the AI assistant fails to respond. The valid range is between 1 to 10. I am going to keep it as 2 over here. Now we have this fallback message. So you can enter a fallback message to display when the AI assistant API key is not responding correctly. So what you can do is you can simply add the support email address of your company in this fallback message, so that if a user has some emergency, they can contact you on email if your AI assistant API key is not working properly. Now next which we have is this knowledge base. So like I showed you in the starting of this video, AI was answering so accurately. You must be wondering how, because we uploaded the knowledge base. And how can we upload that knowledge base over here? First of all, what you have to do is you have to enter the knowledge unique to your business in a Google Doc. Enter the about your product, then enter the product categories or whichever business you are running. Enter the details according to that in this knowledge base. Then go on this file, download, and download this in TXT or PDF format. It totally depends upon you. You want to download this in TXT or PDF. Both the formats are supported, but I'll suggest you download this in TXT format because TXT format is preferred. For PDF, we have no page limit for text PDFs. But if you go for PDFs which has images, the limit is up to 10 pages. So that's the reason I'll suggest you go for TXT format only. Go on this choose a file button and choose your file which you have downloaded right now and upload it. Alright, so you just have to download it first. Go on this file, download, and download this in TXT format. Then simply go on this choose a file button, then download section and upload the file. Now you can see I have successfully uploaded this file, and this is the vector ID, date and time, which is the proof of the successful uploading. After upload this file, now let's move on further towards the interface. Over here you can define and change the interface. It is saying header display heading name, so I am going to keep the heading name as my brand name, which is Urban Cart. So I'm going to copy and paste it right over here, and it will be edited on the right hand of the site too. Same goes for the sub heading right over here. That is asking me for the initial message, so you can enter 2 initial messages and each initial message will appear in a new chat bubble like this. You have to type the initial message and then press enter to add the initial message. Alright, next which we have is this display the powered by Pabbly label. So you can select you want to show it or not. If you want to show it, keep it as enable, otherwise disable it right from here. Now we have this footer text and footer link, so you can use this to add the disclaimer or the link to your privacy policy. Footer text will turn as the link if you add the link. If the link is not added, it will show you as a plain text like this. Now we have this user first message, so this message will be sent to WhatsApp as the initial message from from the user. So I am going to keep it as, hey, you can customize this according to your own choice. Now next which we have is the styling. So you can style this WhatsApp chatbot. You can change the theme, the shape, the colors, the pictures. It totally depends upon you how you want this AI chatbot to look like. After styling, this AI chatbot is ready to run. So simply switch on this toggle button and click on this Save AI Assistant. Now this AI Assistant is saved successfully and created successfully. But how can you use it for your business? So you have to go to this embedded and you're going to find the script. Just copy this script and paste it on your website. Then this AI chatbot will be added on your website. Then whenever any lead comes in or any customer comes in and click on this chat with us button and then start chat button, they will be redirected towards WhatsApp, and this message, which is the initial message, will be sent from them towards you on WhatsApp, and then the AI chatbot is going to reply them. Further, if you want to assign this AI chatbot to particular contacts at once, you can go towards this inbox from the left end of the site. Once you come on this inbox section, you have to select the chat to whom you want to assign this AI assistant. So let's say I want to assign this AI assistant to this user. So let's click on this choose AI assistant, assign this AI assistant and click on this save. Now whenever this user is going to message me, this AI assistant is going to reply. Further, if you want to assign this AI chatbot to multiple contact at once, then from the left end of the site, go on this settings and then inbox settings. After you come on this inbox settings, scroll and you're going to see the option of this enable AI auto replies. Switch this toggle on, select the contact list and the AI chatbot who is going to reply to all the contacts in this list. Click on this save, and then whenever any contact from this contact list is going to message, this AI chatbot is going to reply. Further, if you want to learn how to create the contact list, go on this contact section and from here you can create the contact list. And also we have a detailed tutorial video on this contact section and each other section of Pabbly Chatflow. You can check it out if you want to learn about any another feature of Pabbly Chatflow in detail. So go and try this amazing AI chatbot for your own business too, because right now businesses are transforming and using this AI chatbot to handle all their WhatsApp chats. And why are you behind? Because right now we're offering a free trial. You can try this for free. So go and try this, and while trying, if you have any doubts, you can drop them in the comment section below. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbots tailored to your own specific business needs. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. So now I will suggest you go and try this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.